Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back friends, my YouTube channel. Hopefully you will be fine. Are you spending good and lavish life? So friend, most welcome. I introduce beautiful ideas and beautiful designs. Let's come. I shared with you beautiful crochet pillow covers and that's are most magnified different to each other. Hopefully you will be enjoy my ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friend, let's come. I introduce beautiful ideas that are very beautiful and are completely different to each other. Subscribe this channel and watching this video at the last you will be gain different ideas to watching this video. Upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that. I hope you will enjoy my ideas which I shared with you and friends. Hopefully you will begin different type of thinking ideas to watching this video. Wow, I monetized. These ideas are very beautiful to each other and friends you will enjoy my ideas which I shared with you in this video. Upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have there. Hopefully you will begin different ideas to watching this video and I hope you will enjoy my ideas which I shared with you. So friends, I hope you can create different ideas to watching this video and you will enjoy my ideas which I shared with you. Subscribe my channel. You will begin different type of thinking ideas to watching this video. Hopefully you will be enjoy different ideas which I shared with you. Friends, upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that, and hopefully you will be enjoy different ideas to watching this video. You can create different ideas and enjoy this video. I hope you will be gain different type of thinking criteria, beautiful ideas in this video I shared with you and friends. You will enjoy my ideas to watching this video. Hopefully you will enjoy my ideas which I shared with you. I hope you can create different ideas.